Let's be honest, the ground beneath us is shifting fast. AI isn't coming, it's already here. The way we work, how we earn money, and what we define as a career, it's all being rewritten in real time. So now, if you're over 40, maybe even 50, this can feel like standing on the edge of a cliff. But here's what no one tells you. AI might delete your job, but it can also make you rich. Let's paint the picture. By early 2025, AI had already contributed to tens of thousands of job losses. So experts warn 300 million jobs globally will be disrupted. But here's the twist. The same force that's shaking things up is also unlocking massive new opportunities. So ask yourself, will you get swept away or will you grab the tools and build something new? Let's not sugarcoat it. AI is replacing jobs right now. Routine roles like data entry, customer service, and admin work gone and going fast. Even creative fields like writing, design, and software development, AI is in the building. Junior roles are evaporating. Entry-level opportunities are shrinking. We're watching career ladders being pulled up before people even climb on. Companies like Microsoft and IBM are already downsizing thanks to AI. This is not a drill. And let's be real, this is scary. If you're 50, burned out, and barely making ends meet, this AI talk feels like a threat, not a gift. You worked hard your whole life. You were loyal to jobs that barely exist anymore. Now you're supposed to compete with algorithms and artificial intelligence. It's overwhelming, it's infuriating, but it's also the truth. And the question is, what are you going to do about it? Now, what I'm going to do is pivot. Here's where everything changes. While AI is replacing many jobs, it's also creating millions of brand new ones. In fact, the World Economic Forum projects 170 million new jobs by 2030. That's more new than lost. But these jobs don't go to the people who wait, they go to the people who learn and embrace AI. Let me introduce you to someone. She's 50, divorced, in debt, no savings. She's worked 30 years in administration and suddenly she's laid off. She has no idea what ChatGPT even is, but she's willing to learn. She discovers a workshop run by the queen of AI herself, Alicia Little, and that weekend it changes her life. Alicia Little, if you don't know the name, learn it. She's a pioneer, a powerhouse, and hands down one of the best educators in the AI space. At her AI marketing event, our 50-year-old hero learns how to use AI to write marketing copy in minutes, build websites without coding, create content for businesses faster than ever. She cuts her marketing time by 75% in just one weekend. Alicia doesn't just teach tools, she teaches transformation. Now here's the turnaround. With what she learned at the event, this woman launches a freelancing side hustle using AI. She starts writing blogs and creating graphics with AI, then offering AI consulting to local businesses. She makes her first $1,000 month, then $5,000, then $20,000. Within 1 year, she crosses the $1 million mark, all because she decided to learn. This isn't science fiction. I attended one of Alicia's classes about a week ago and met this woman. Solopreneurs are building 6- and 7-figure businesses with AI as their silent partner. You no longer need a team of 10. AI is your team. Your video editor, your copywriter, your strategist, your assistant. If you're 40 and over, this is your chance because the young crowd, they have energy, but you have wisdom. So here's the opportunity. So what can you actually do with AI? Use ChatGPT to create content and offers. Use image tools to design logos, flyers, product mockups. Automate your business with AI. Create and sell online courses. Offer AI-powered services on Fiverr or Upwork. Become an AI consultant. just like I'm studying to become. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just need to start. So here's the truth. AI is deleting jobs. They are. But it's also building new paths to wealth. The only question is, will you sit back and watch it happen? Or will you step in and make it work for you? If you're ready to learn more, make sure to hit subscribe, tap that bell, and drop a comment below. What's the first thing you want to do with AI? The revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And you're right on time.